I hope you are doing well. It's your girl TTNG. Today we're gonna make our deep conditioner with onion. So like if you saw the other video, if you haven't seen that video, I will put the picture on the screen and I will also put the link in the description box. So just go and check it. Very interesting, where I did onion oil, and this is the remaining where I extract the oil. So you know that precious oil are here inside, and I cannot just throw those things away. I have to use them, then that's why I'm gonna make a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner. Why deep conditioner? Because it's onion. You cannot just leave it, because onion have a smell and you cannot leave it on your hair like leave-in conditioner. So we have to make deep conditioner. Deep conditioner, you just put it, and after maybe 30 minutes you go and wash your hair. Okay, then that is so. Then now I have this onion remaining. Then what I'm gonna do, I will add 1 tablespoon of my shea butter. So something like this. I'm gonna add it in my jar because I will blend everything again. So then we're gonna add our onion. So you have to blend everything smoothly, very good. You have to blend it. So I'm using my Mr. Magic blender. So that is our deep conditioner, but I'm not done yet. I have to put it in the freezer. It has to be a bit strong. Then I will come and blend it again with my stand blender. Okay, then now we're just gonna put it in the freezer. Here is our deep conditioner. Is now a bit hot. I'm just gonna blend it again with my stand. I have this stand mixer. Just gonna blend it. So that is I finished blending, but I have to go and add citrus juice, because citrus is very good for the hair too. And you know that onion has some smell, so then the citrus will go and kill that smell, and the citrus will also go and give us shine on the hair, so our hair will shine. So citrus is very good for hair, giving shine to the hair. So that's why I'm adding citrus juice inside. Okay, then we're gonna blend it again. So I finish blending everything. That is, see the citrus juice is inside, everything is inside. Now I'm just gonna add essential oil. I'm gonna add this tea oil, essential oil. Then mix everything together. So now I have my jar here. I just have to go and add everything inside. So So that is our deep conditioner. See, with red onion, very good. This deep conditioner, you just have to put it on your hair, then you leave it like 30 minutes, then go and rinse it. So you know it will give you shine because of the citrus juice inside, and it will help you to grow your hair. It will clean your scalp. Oh, massive hair growth. My hair is thick. I think I can use all of this on my hair. Then leave it 30 minutes. Then if you have time, you can also leave like 1 hour, doesn't matter. Yeah, then it's okay. That is it for our deep conditioner with onion, with red onion. So please just like the video, share it, and comment. If you are not subscribed, please just subscribe to help your sis. Oh, I'm very, very happy to make this video with you. It's very good. I share many tips with you. I like it. Then please don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time I posted you'll be notified. Okay, then see you in the next video. Bye.